We're getting ready to install the hardware. Hey, so the flange out here, on this flange, you don't put any screws or
No.
nails on the outside. You just have it bonded to your sealant.
We're gonna put another layer of the bitumen over the top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
We're gonna it like squishes it all in and seals it up.
The bitumen. You mean this
same stuff?
This same stuff.
Except we peel the back.
Right, right. Like you did on the bottom. Yeah. Bitch-a-thing. I like that. You can say bitch-a-thing as much as you want and know that you're not saying anything wrong.
The first time I heard it, it was a lady. She had a 4-foot roll, and she wanted me to wrap the side of her garage. And she says, "I have some bitch-a-thing in the garage." I'm like, "What do you have in the garage?"
Oh, I like that. Bitch-a-thing, your new word for the day. That's this stuff. That's this window stuff. Remember? They're going to take that and they can peel off the back of it. See? Like that. And then that's sticky. Bitch-a-thing. What are they doing here? What's that all about? Using that for insulation purposes, or for it to also stick?
Insulation, and it also, if water ever did get in there, it keeps the water out of it.
Okay. I saw he had this special tool applicator, and I was wondering what he was going to do with that. I think that stuff is going to expand a little bit, I think, and then you'll shave off any bits that are stuck out, right?
Yep.
Yep. And that's called extra foam. Okay. I wonder if everybody does this. I don't know if you have to do it. This is something they do to get a better install. You'll go around the rest of the opening that way. Now I see why you cut the plywood back as far as you did, so you got enough room for this. The bitch-a-thing. Right? Did you know what that was called, young man?
Yep.
Okay. He's getting ready to install the hardware. Like I say, every door system is different. So read your directions, look at it twice before you screw it down. Good job. Boy, it's kind of hard making this video with such a great view out there. I saw a hawk fly by, and then there's a turkey vulture way over there. And down in that person's yard down there, I can't see him now, but I saw a deer going through there. He trotted right through that opening right there and kind of went up in the tree line. I don't see him right now. I think he's busy having lunch. He's pulling the paper out from underneath it. Just like that. Almost looks like he knows what he's doing. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.